Hey everyone, welcome back. Well, I woke up this morning at 5 a.m. with the blizzard raging and the power out as usual. But they did get it back on by about 9 a.m., so that was a great accomplishment. It is the first blizzard of the year, so let's go check it out. It is just the perfect powder coming down right now. It's just beautiful powder snow. It's really not that cold. And here's this one again. Big snow catcher. He is a little dusted. Yep, if you're planning on visiting Nova Scotia, maybe January, February is not the time. Unless you like this. There's a forest of balsa firs. Here's a forest of red spruce planted in a box. There we go. Yeah, we could end up with a foot easy. Oof, those trees are snowed in. Yeah. Let's go hide out in the big one here. It's dark in here because of the snow cover. Another wintertime chore. Knocking snow off them. Never a dull moment. There's the birch tree that earned its concrete pot, if you can remember that back that far. There's nothing like a birch tree when it comes out in the spring. They're beautiful. Here's one of the white pines that I wired. It's gonna be a good one. It's got a good vibe going. Here's this update. Here's an update on this planting. Hasn't been on the channel since I planted them. They need a trim. This tree has got a beautiful trunk. That was a good find. That one needs the lower branches cut off so we can see it. They're mostly red spruce, and I think this one snuck in. It's a blue spruce, this little one. I'll be getting this one trimmed back, try to get a little separation in them. This red spruce has done really nice in this square concrete. Happy with that tree. Really like liking the red spruce. They're developing really nice. These two lemurs are doing their dormancy. I have them in the basement now where they're coming out into leaf. That's what happens with them in the basement. Here's my balsa fir forest. This snow was put on them 2 days ago. It's just hovering around freezing in here, so it's not really melting on them completely. I'll get them snowed again. Yeah, January and February. Probably not the best month to come visit. I hope everyone's staying warm. I'll see you next time on Bonsai by the Sea.